good morning. Thanks for being with us. You're with the news here on Mirana. My name is Apurva Sridhar. Let's get you all the updates now coming in. Beginning today, 15 of the passenger trains are operational from today. And there are, of course, a lot of guidelines that have also been put in place for the functioning of these 15 passenger trains. Now, at the railways, which started the bookings of 30 of the trains, about 30,000 PNRs were generated as per the officials, and the reservations were issued to more than 54,000 passengers across the country. However, special train from Chennai to Delhi, which was scheduled to depart at 6:35 a.m. this morning, has been rescheduled for Friday.
देखिए, आज से हम ग्रेजुअली ट्रेन सर्विसेज शुरू कर रहे हैं, पैसेंजर ट्रेन सर्विसेज शुरू कर रहे हैं। इससे पहले हमारी श्रमिक स्पेशल ट्रेन चल रही हैं, वो लगातार चलती रहेंगी। पार्सल और गुड्स ट्रेन जो हमारी हैं, फेयर ट्रेन से, वो भी चलती रहेंगी। आज से हमने डिसाइड किया है कि 15 रूट्स पे, मतलब 15 × 2 30 सर्विसेज वीकली सर्विस, हर दिन चलने वाली सर्विसेज, उसमें कुछ बाई वीकली, कुछ ट्राई वीकली, कुछ वीकली, ये सर्विसेज हम रिज्यूम करने जा रहे हैं।
Let me go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's joining me live, getting us a ground update now from the New Delhi railway station. Mohit, over to you. We are going to be looking at the operations of 15 pairs of passenger trains beginning today. What is the current situation on ground? How many trains would be plying today from the New Delhi railway station? And if you can show us around, are we looking at passengers there already gathering at the station?
Well, you see, today 3 stations will depart from New Delhi railway station, and they are bound towards Bengaluru, Dibrugarh and Bilaspur. Now, we are right now standing outside New Delhi railway station. The area has been completely barricaded. There is strict security check that is going on over here. The Delhi police is not allowing anybody to go inside, and the passengers have been asked that they should reach the railway station 90 minutes prior to the departure of the train. All the trains which are leaving from New Delhi are in the evening, but we see many people came over here in the morning. But you see, strict security measures are being taken by the Delhi police over here, and only from this side of New Delhi railway station, that is the Paharganj side, the people will be allowed to enter. But you see, the contrasting pictures are coming in from New Delhi railway station. I'll ask my camera person to move towards this side. Now, on one hand, we have people who have got the tickets and they are very happy. On the other hand, we have migrant workers over here who have been stuck over here. They say that they do not have money, and in hope of going to their respective places, they have come over here, but the railways have said those who have confirmed tickets, they only will be allowed to go. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम राजन है।
राजन, आपके पास टिकट नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आप नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन आए हैं। रेलवे ने कहा है कि जिनके पास टिकट्स नहीं होगा कंफर्म, उनको नहीं जाने दिया गया है। फिर भी आप आए हैं, क्या उम्मीद है आपको?
मेरी उम्मीद है सर, मैं किसी तरह घर पहुंच जाऊं सर, क्योंकि मुझे बच्चे का बहुत ख्याल रखना है।
कब आए थे आप यहाँ पे? बच्चे
हम लोग 21 मार्च को आए थे सर, एम्स में
बच्चे का इलाज कराने आए थे, आप ये बताएं। और तब से कहाँ रह रहे थे, और आपको पता लगा था कि रेलवे की पैसेंजर की बुकिंग हो रही है, वो करवा पाए आप?
मैं कोशिश किया सर, पर साइट क्रैश हो गया था। अच्छा। इस वजह से मेरी होने पर हुई, तो वेटिंग 1-1 बता रहा है। अच्छा। 15 मई तक। हाँ। ऐसे में टिकट तो हो नहीं पाई सर, और वेटिंग अलाउड नहीं है।
तो लेकिन आप फिर भी यहाँ पे आए हैं, आपको लगता है कि आपको जाने दिया जाएगा?
जी सर।
क्या उम्मीद करते हैं? क्योंकि
अपने गवर्नमेंट पे, अपने प्रधानमंत्री पे बहुत उम्मीद है सर कि मेरी कुछ सुनिए।
आपने ये भी बोला कि सारा पैसा आपका खर्च हो चुका है, पैसे भी नहीं है टिकट बुकिंग के।
जी सर।
So there you see, these are the sorry state of affairs over here, that people still want to go to their homes, but they are not able to go. This man came over here for the treatment of his child, but he's not able to go home. His all money is exhausted, and he doesn't have money to book the train. So where the money will come from? He has come over here, but the railways have clearly said that nobody who has the confirmed tickets will be allowed to go. Sir, आपके पास टिकट है?
जी है।
अच्छा, आपके पास टिकट हो गई है, आखिरकार आपकी कंफर्म हो गई है?
हाँ जी।
कब से फंसे हुए थे आप दिल्ली में, और कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं आया हूँ सीतामढ़ी जिला से।
सीतामढ़ी से हैं आप? अच्छा, कल कितने बजे कंफर्म हो गई थी आपकी टिकट?
कल 6 बजे कंफर्म हो गई।
तो अब खुशी है कि आखिरकार घर जा पाएंगे अब आप?
मैं तो खुशी नहीं, पढ़ाई करने आए थे, लेकिन पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं हुई।
लेकिन अब घर जा रहे हैं आखिरकार, तो टिकट मिल गई है आपको, कंफर्म टिकट है। सर, आपके पास भी है कंफर्म टिकट?
हाँ जी, मेरे पास भी कंफर्म टिकट है।
एक बार दिखा पाएंगे अगर आप कंफर्म टिकट? सो यू सी, दीज पीपल हैव द कंफर्म टिकट्स, एंड दीज आर द कंट्रास्टिंग सीन्स ओवर हियर. 2 of them have the confirmed ticket, but the people over here just who were sitting beside them, they do not have the tickets, and they were crying literally, and they were saying that they want to go to their home because they came here for the treatment of their child. So these are the contrasting scenes that are coming here. So this is the confirmed ticket that this man has got. So without this confirmed tickets, we'll just ask our viewers that without these tickets, nobody will be allowed to get inside the railway stations. A proper sanitization would be there, and also there are strict guidelines by the railways that people will have to cover their face, their masks, no linen bed sheets, pillows will be provided by the railways, and passengers have also been asked to bring their own food. Sir, कितनी खुशी है अब घर पहुंच पाएंगे आखिरकार?
खुशी तो तभी होती है जब यहाँ आए थे, पढ़ाई करने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन पढ़ाई तो हो पाई नहीं। और यहाँ 16 मार्च को ही आए थे और उसके बाद से सर मैं
अच्छा, अब शाम की ट्रेन है, लेकिन हमने देखा आप सुबह से यहाँ आ गए हैं।
हाँ, तो मैं सुबह 2 बजे से ही घर से चल रखा हूँ।
कहाँ से चले थे आप?
मैं उत्तम नगर से आ रखा हूँ।
उत्तम नगर से पैदल आए हैं आप?
हाँ, उत्तम नगर से पैदल ही आया हूँ।
आपको लगा था सुबह कोई टैक्सी नहीं मिलेगी, कोई ऑटो नहीं मिलेगा, लॉकडाउन है
हाँ,
इसलिए?
तो वही उम्मीद थी कि नहीं मिली है और नहीं मिली है तो मैं पैदल ही आया हूँ।
So there you see, the people are very happy. Some of them are saying that they are finally able to go to their homes, and they have started since 2 a.m. in the morning to reach out to the New Delhi railway station. Many of them have come from Gurugram, many of them have come from Uttam Nagar, Bhavana, and they say that they are very happy. But on the other side, we have contrasting scenes over here outside New Delhi railway station, where migrant workers have also come over here, and they are literally crying, and they are saying that they just want to go to their respective home. And it's a very sorry state of affairs outside the railway station over here. And we'll but tell you that government needs to do something for them. They say that they had 45,000 rupees. They came here for the treatment of their child, and all the money is exhausted as of now. Back to you.
Absolutely. Mohit, also if you can help us understand inside the railway stations, what have been the kind of measures and guidelines that have been put in place? Once those who have confirmed tickets, they are going to enter the station, what has been the kind of sanitization process that has been put in place? How are they going to be taking care of that entire process? Because we will be looking at a lot of people entering the railway stations in the evening.
Tap. Well, yes, Railway has clearly said that the passengers need to reach 90 minutes before the departure of the trains, and no platform tickets will be sold. Only those who have the confirmed tickets, like we were just showing, they will be allowed to enter. And if I'll show you the scenes outside the railway station, you see, we have never seen New Delhi railway station heavily barricaded like this. No traffic is allowed towards this side, and nobody is allowed to go inside. Even the media is not allowed to go inside. And as of now, the New Delhi railway station wears a deserted look, and hence the RPF, the Delhi police, are manning strictly the complete area, because they do not want that chaos should happen, because we see that the migrant workers have come over here in huge numbers. They do not have the tickets. They still want to go to their respective destinations. So you see, this gate is completely barricaded. On normal days, if you come to New Delhi railway station, this area is completely filled with traffic. A traffic jam are reported from these areas, and you can see the barricades are again being moved towards that side. The Delhi police officials are here. The RPF officials are here. They're not allowing anybody to go inside. And then 90 minutes prior to the departure of the trains, people will start moving towards the railway station. Many of them have come over here since morning. They say that they wanted to reach out to their destination, and hence they have come over here. Now, if you talk about the specific guidelines that have been given by the Rail Ministry and also by the Ministry of Home Affairs, that people should wear masks, they should cover their face and nose completely, and also a thermal screening of all the passengers would be done. So around 1,700 passengers, if they board a single train, you can see it will be a big task for the railways to get the screening done, and only asymptomatic patients will be allowed to board these trains. Now, these are the AC special trains which are running just like the Rajdhani Express, and today 3 trains will be moving from New Delhi railway station. All the trains which will be which are being started by the Railway Ministry, they are either starting from New Delhi or are bound towards New Delhi railway station. Back to you.
All right.